guys, it's Daisy here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to do this project, convert to sling bag. And first of all, thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Please like and share and subscribe. What you need here is the puncher, the screw, the roller, strap holder, so like rivets. I got this at Amazon. So now I will show you how to do this. Okay, now first I will mark where I'm gonna make a hole. So 4.5. I wanna do 4.5. So you do it in the left side of the bag facing you. So I want to do in the mid 4.5. So in the middle. It's easy. Just put here in the middle. It will covered with a screw anyway. So now in the zipper side, we have the zipper side here when you open. So you do it in the left side. So left. And then I'll do it in the middle. 4.5. And then in the middle. That's it. And make sure you do the you measure the puncher size, because this one you're not gonna make like big one and then it's too loose for to put it. So make sure, see, this one fit. So I'm gonna use this one to put it here. So you can do like this. It's a bit hard, but it's okay. So this one now. Okay, so I'm gonna put one more there. So there. So so we have the mark here. So we can go like this. Okay, I will take out put some of my thing. So I have the mark here. Okay, guys, and then you just punch it there. So you have to push this one really hard. One more time. Okay, I think I got it. And then do the same thing in the middle. And then push it really hard. There you go. One more. Make sure. Okay, I got it, guys. So now you put this. I have the screw together. So you put here inside. So here you go, guys. I make it. And then screw this one in. And then make sure to lock it inside tightly. guys. See? Looks very nice. So make it like tight, very tight. Do the same thing what you did in the other side. See? Screw it together. And then same thing, tied it inside really well. See guys, it's all done, my project. Wow, so happy with the result, guys. You can use whatever straps you have. There you go. It's sling already, guys. Oh my goodness, I really like it so much. There you go. And then I have another style that you can use. So you don't have to like buy any straps like they're really expensive, or if you want to, you can go to LV to buy the straps. See guys? And then I have another, any straps you like. Guys, see, you can use anything, whatever you like, what you have in your closet. I have this. There you go. You can design anything you like, guys. So I will show you how it looks like. guys, you can multi-purpose this bag, so you can use it for shoulder bag like that. Just hold it and then you can sling it, so you can sling like that. So a lot of option, guys, so it's multifunctional. Trousse. See, you can hold it this one. Very nice, guys. Guys, I did my trousse conversion to sling bag. They both came out very nice, and if you remove the straps, you can use it for pouch to go travel, and you can use this for errands with a strap. I did the two, size 23 and size 28. It came out very good, both of them. So you can use both of them for sling, with sling or without sling. So if you find this video helpful, please share, like, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Share some love, guys. Bye. See you in my next one.